Hello, I'm Lisa. Today our topic is sublimation jigsaw puzzles. It's an interesting item. There are three types of jigsaw puzzles we deal with. First type is plastic jigsaw puzzle. Classic type is cardboard puzzle, and the popular type is MDF puzzles. For the plastic puzzles, it's made of hard plastic. Thickness is 3 mm. Can print both sides. The classic type is made of cardboard, like thick hard paper. Third type, MDF puzzles, made of MDF material, is a kind of wood. Now, let's try the photo printing on these puzzles. For the plastic puzzle, we set temperature 200 centigrade and 18 seconds. Or MDF puzzles. The photo paper first on. For the MDF puzzles, we set the same temperature 200 centigrade and the time 80 seconds. Let's see the printing effect. Wow, so nice. Now we do the printing on cardboard puzzles. The cardboard puzzles, we set a temperature 200 centigrade and the time 45 seconds. Let's see the printing. Wow, the color is so vivid. These printed art puzzles can be good for intelligence puzzles and for leisure toys. How to collect these puzzles? We can use such kind of drawstring bags. And also you can use a tin box to carry these puzzles. We can make the same design on the cover. With the blank puzzles, you can create any your favorite puzzles. Hope you like them. Thank you.